Alright YouTube, I'm back. My last video showed my battery light on, flashing on and off, saying that battery is not charging. So the culprit was my alternator. New alternator is installed. Installed it not too long ago. Couldn't record it because I was the only one doing the work, so I couldn't hold it and do the work at the same time. If you know, you know. Well, all you gotta do is take out this bolt, take out the other bolt on this side, then come back over here, pull this off, which is like a little screw right here, loosen that up and pull it off completely. All this is to cover it up from being any type of metal stuff contacting it or whatever. So that's just to cover it up. Then after that, you will come over here to the tensioner. Let's go around the tensioner. You come over here. I suggest getting you a long wrench of whatnot. But if you can see right there, let me zoom this in some more. That right there, zoom it out. That's your tensioner. Your long wrench or something where you can have a good angle. Push that towards the driver's side and loosen up the belt. Then after you loosen the belt, you take the belt off the old alternator, and after you take that and loosen that up, you simply just get you a crowbar or a long screwdriver and crank that up or pull it out to a place where it hasn't been seen in a while before, because I'm pretty sure if your alternator went out, it's probably the factory alternator or you haven't had a vehicle for a long time. Alternators usually last over 10 plus years. So yeah, that's about it. And I got this installed. It's a beauty for now. Pretty sure in a couple more years it's gonna look dusted, busted and everything, but still be working. But yeah, I paid about $211. This is a refurbished one, and lifetime warranty on refurbished, so you can't go wrong with that. A brand new one would have cost about $300 or more. I figure I might as well go ahead and sell it, save some money, get the refurbished, and go with that. Pretty easy job. But yeah, if you have a battery light that's on, that starts flashing. 2, that's on and flashing. 3, says battery not charging. 4, you start seeing your traction control light and power steering light come on. That means you need a new alternator. It's your boy Taz, over and out. Peace.